Selling your car privately? Here's what you need to know. As the seller, you'll need to gather and fill out some documents. You'll need a certificate of title, an odometer statement if the car is less than 10 years old, and you might need a rebuilt from salvage disclosure if the car has sustained enough damage in the past. After you have a serious buyer, the next step is to fill out a bill of sale. This state doesn't actually require one, but it's a good idea to have one on hand, just in case. Next, you'll need to transfer the title to its new owner. You'll need to hand over the current title, have all the previous documents filled out, and exchange payment. The buyer can apply for a transfer of plate at their home county tax office. Once you've handed over the title, you'll need to hang on to your old license plates. You can register them to another car that you own, or you can turn them into your county tax office. Next, you'll need to contact your insurance agency and cancel the coverage on your vehicle. You can cancel your registration online or complete Form MV-18 and submit it to your county tax office. Want to make your next sale safe, simple, and secure? Check out privateauto.com.